সুইং সেকশনে ইন্সপেকশন অ্যান্ড চেক রিকোয়ারমেন্টে কী আমরা অডিট করব তা হচ্ছে লাইন ইন quality inspector must be perform appropriate inspection table, a clear segregation acceptable product, defective product or repair damaged product must be in a place line and inspection sections. Is inline inspection conducted for basic measurement and general failing quality such as holes? Is inline inspection conducted over lamp and flowing linking process including basic measurement? Does factory have an inspection system inline and inline? Does factory measure complete garments? Factory has a sufficient inspection room to support multiple inspections, sufficient space available to keep selected carton inside the inspection room. Inline inspections for all operator, traffic light SPC. Proper inspection method should be trained auditor and inspector. Is there suitable line inspection process appropriate design it and complexity of product? Inline inspector carry out 100% inspections to show product workmanship, appearance and label. Inspector to do trims product during inspections. Do not trim product during inspection. Are documented proper inspection method and procedure readily available? Inline inspection workmanship, pass defective and reject garments should be kept separate bin where will be nominated and we are waiting for inspection need to mention after thread trimming. Effective procedure exists. Check needle issue, quantity and return needle, broken needle, register and others area are link drawer, maintenance room. Mock-up of critical operation and SPI check. Mock-up SPI check for critical operations. Are yarn randomly check or essential randomly check every batch and color. Suing area the inspection criteria such as proper procedure is made, verify correct thread, stitching density, tension of machine, new style, daily checking, reject bundle, red flag, work station being mentioned it and recheck until pass, measurement are check it as per size and color, out of tolerance measurement carry out corrective action. If rejected item clearly segregate good product, evaluated the workmanship, a few sample, yes good, no below standard and processing need improvement. Inline quality check, any defect pressing inline quality table after inline check done. Traffic light system running accuracy floor, line balancing and bottleneck. Is the line balance avoid any hold whip due to bottleneck operation? Thread trimming and designated worker will trims thread. Critical operation identification, first 10 piece bundle check. Critical defect handling, do root cause analysis if same defect occur. Particular operation 3 times within hour. Bin card bingo card update. Buyer-wise approved supply list, all document update. Sharp tools control, needle control system, all label log procedure of must be no. Traffic light system. ইন্সপেকশন চেক পয়েন্টের মধ্যে এমসিপি মাস্ট বি নো সবার জানা থাকতে হবে এবং এটা থাকতে হবে স্টাইলিং ফাইলে। ইন্টারনাল বায়ার পিপি মিটিং মাস্ট বি নো। ডিএসইউ টার্গেট, টপ 3 ডিফেক্ট, সুইং এসওপি, মেজারমেন্ট টেপ ক্যালিব্রেশন, প্যাটার্ন ব্রোকেন, tear, overlock machine, fabric trimming check, keep guide, maintaining proper seam allowance, approve trim card, approve sample for running style, checking garments for construction, seam quality, overall garments appear, garments management, measurement and construction checking, comparing with the approved sample and customer provided spec, trims and mock-up cut panel, demonstrate robust system and control level, manage them on the swing floor. Loading for color, all machine are clean, period style and color change. Trim card should always be available in the swing section for reference. An approved mock-up must be present of each swing operation, specifically difficulties and critical operation. Mock-up with the correct workmanship construction, mock-up with the correct thread color, types of quality. Mock-up is oil mention it is clearly visible and keep good condition. মূলত এইগুলো হচ্ছে সুইং সেকশন মূলত যে চেক পয়েন্টগুলো আছে বা রিকোয়ারমেন্ট ইন্সপেকশন রিকোয়ারমেন্টগুলো আছে সেগুলো নিয়ে কথাবার্তা বললাম আপনাদের সাথে।